This is the Luseta Charcoal Detox Shampoo and Conditioner. These are cleansing and purifying products. Love them. So with my daughters being in dance, they use a lot of product on their hair. This product, we tested it over a few weeks, definitely cleansed and purified. Took out all the product and left them with a very smooth mane. I like the pump. They can easily pump in the shower. And I like these are color safe and free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten, which I did appreciate. But the hair was definitely cleaner. The product was definitely removed from the hair. The frizz stayed calmer and the hair looked smoother, soft and healthy. These are the kinds of things that as you use them more often, they're going to keep that hair really clean and purified from the product. But these are a great option for these charcoal detox based products. Really liked it. And the hair definitely looked a lot cleaner. And it worked out very well. But I highly recommend the Luseta Charcoal Detox Shampoo and the Charcoal Detox Conditioner. The opinions in this review are mine. They are based on our real use and testing of the product. The product was provided by the brand.